Sorry. But you crossed the line.
You guys have quite the dynamic.
Shut up.
What did I do? I mean, you locked me up, you barged in on me, so...
I am truly sorry. I thought you... I'm sorry, Annie. I promise you will never shed another tear because of me.
That's not usually how people apologize.
I couldn't help myself. How can I make it up to you?
Well, how about a ride to work? Your villa is pretty far from my job.
Yeah, absolutely. Where do you work?
A Silverlight Design Company. I mean, if it's too inconvenient, then I can just take the bus, but would mean getting up 2 hours earlier.
No. I'd be honored to drive you. Great.
Good morning. So, how do you like your new home?
Oh, it's beautiful. And the ring is something else, so thank you. Oh, I must have left it in the washroom.
Oh, don't worry about that, sweetheart. The moon ring cannot be lost. It's bound to you.
No, what?
Annie, what's wrong?
This ring is cursed. We need a priest. This is like evil magic. You knew about this?
Listen, it's not a curse. It's a special bond that forms from true love. But you're right, it is magic.
So everything you said yesterday was a lie?
It's a family heirloom.
You said this was an heirloom. Why would you lie to me?
I was scared you'd leave me if I told you the truth. Look, no more lies. I promise.
Then tell me everything.
Annie, the truth is, I'm a werewolf. And you are my destined Luna.
Flextv, an exciting world of trending dramas.